This sum is a 5-mark question and it's from exercise 3.16 and it is the 6th sum. Cheriya? So let's try to understand this sum. The speed of a boat in still water is given as 15 kilometers per hour and it goes 30 kilometers upstream and returns downstream to the original point in 4 hours and 30 minutes. So இப்படி ஒரு stream flow ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, and you have a boat, right? And the boat has to it's going downstream and then coming back upstream. So each side it's going 30 kilometers. And the time taken to go upstream plus downstream, right? Upstream plus downstream is given as 4 hours 30 minutes, which is nothing but 4.5 hours. And 4.5, it's a mixed fraction. When I convert it, it becomes 9/2. 4 into 2 into 4 plus 1, right? So this is what is given and you have to find the speed of the stream. So whatever is not known, let us assume that to be x, whatever we have to find out. So let x be the speed of the stream. Fine. So one thing that you must understand here is the speed of the boat is given as 15 kilometers per hour in still water. Okay. Now if the boat is going, say, downstream, now water is flowing in this direction and your boat is also going in this direction. Therefore, the speed of the water is going to help your boat to reach the destination faster. Correct? Do you understand this concept? Water is going in one direction. Your boat is also going in the same direction. So, water kunnu or speed irukum illaya. So, that speed helps the speed of the boat to go faster. So, nama indha edathila vandu enna panuvona, we'll take the speed of the boat during when it's going downstream to be the speed of the boat itself plus the speed of the stream, right? Because the speed of the stream helps the boat to travel much faster, right? But when you take the other direction, opposite direction, the water is still traveling in this side. When you're going upstream, when you're going towards the upside, water is still going in this direction, but your boat is going in this direction, opposite direction. Appo water oda force ku neenga edirthu you have to go with your boat. So that time what will be the speed of your boat? The speed of the boat in the upstream would be the speed of the boat itself minus the speed of the stream. The speed of the stream is not going to help the speed of the boat, right? It's going to oppose it. So that's why the speed is taken as 15 minus x. Okay, this is one concept that you have to understand. Once this is understood, the sum is very easy. When you're going in the downstream direction, the speed of the boat and the speed of the stream will be the total speed. The speed you're going in the same direction. Upstream la varumbodhu, opposite direction la varumbodhu, it will be the speed will be 15 minus the speed of the stream, right? Once you've got this concept clear, you must also know this formula: time is equal to distance by speed. You remember this formula, right? Physics la padichirpom, maths la nariya thara use pannirpom. Speed is equal to distance by time and time is equal to distance by speed. Eppadi vena sollalam. So I'm going to use the same formula over here and substitute it in this equation that we have here. So time taken for upstream is nothing but distance. Evlo kilometers potrana? 30 kilometers போறது இல்லையா upstreamக்கு, by what is the speed? Distance by speed. Upstreamக்கு it is 15 minus x இல்லையா? And what is the time taken for downstream? It is a total kilometers 30 by 15 plus x. Okay, therefore the total time taken t is equal to 30 by 15 minus x plus 30 by 15 plus x, and அதுதான் என்ன நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும்? 4.5 hours, which is 9/2, right? Anyway, you have to solve. This is like a simple quadratic equation that you know, and you just have to solve this. So whenever you add two rational expressions, you have to take the LCM. So what is the LCM for this? It is 15 minus x into 15 plus x. Okay, and the numerator என்ன பண்ற போறேன், I'm going to take this 30 outside. So 30 வெளில எடுத்துட்டோம்னா it will just be 1 and 1 here, right? Let me just explain what I'm doing. I'm taking 30 outside here, so it becomes 1 by 15 minus x plus 1 by 15 plus x. In the left hand side இப்படி ஆயிடும். சரியா? So here it will be 15 plus x plus 15 minus x. ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல, I'm multiplying this by 15 plus x and this by 15 minus x. Basically I've taken the LCM and I'm multiplying. So in the plus x minus x cancel ஆயிடும். So this equation can be written as 30 into 15 plus 15 is 30. And கீழ எப்படி இருக்கும், 15 minus x into 15 plus x is of the form a minus b into a plus b. It's a very important formula. So it is a squared minus b squared, right? So here it will be 15 squared, which is 225, 225 minus b squared minus x squared is equal to 9 by 2. இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு x தானே கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So let's take x to one side and bring this known to the other side. So when I bring this to the other side, it's basically this will 2 will come on top, 9 will come down, right? So 30 into 30 is 900 into 2 by 9 is equal to 225 minus x squared, right? So this gets cancelled, so you get 200 is equal to 225 minus x squared, or இந்த 225 இந்த பக்கம் எடுத்துன்னு வந்துடலாம். 200 minus 225 is equal to minus x squared, or we can write this as minus 25 is equal to minus x squared. I'm changing the sign on both sides. Therefore you have x squared equal to 25. Upper x is equal to, if you take square root, it's going to be plus or minus 5. So x is what? The speed of the stream. So the speed of the stream cannot be negative. So therefore we take x is equal to 5. Therefore the speed of the stream is how much? 5 kilometers per hour. Right? So it's an interesting sum. Okay, so once we understand this concept of how to derive the speed of the stream in the downstream and upstream direction, then it's only substituting the formulas that we already know and solving the quadratic equation. அவ்வளவுதான். Try understanding the sum by seeing this video a couple of times if you haven't understood it the first time, and try doing it yourself for another 2 or 3 times. அவ்வளவுதான். It will go and stick to your memory. It will never get erased. Okay, so okay, good luck.